This online lecture's focus is synonyms. Throughout this lesson, we will explore concepts related to synonyms. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to recall the meaning of the term synonym, acquire new vocabulary strategies to understand different word meanings, and understand how and why to replace a given word with its synonym. So before we begin our lesson, I would like you to take a few seconds to brainstorm and understand and explain the relationship that exists among the pair of words exact and specific. The two words that you will describe the relationship for are exact and specific. So what do their meanings have in common? You can also think about how you can use these words in a sentence, and I would like you to create two sentences and reply in the response with your two sentences. Did you take note that the words convey the same meaning? Did your sample sentences that used exact and specific convey similar messages and meanings? My example sentence using the word exact states, "What is the exact time that we are going to leave for class?" And also, when I use specific in a similar sentence, it states, "What is the specific time that we are leaving for class?" We refer to the words exact and specific as synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean exactly or nearly the same as another word. Here is an example of showing synonyms through a word web. Withdraw is the focus word, and all of the surrounding words are synonyms of withdraw. Word webs are helpful for identifying synonyms and showing the relationship between different words and their meanings. The Merriam-Webster thesaurus will help you find synonyms. You can find synonyms of words within a thesaurus. Depending on the word, a thesaurus can offer multiple synonyms for one word. It is often uncommon that you will see the Merriam-Webster thesaurus in most classrooms. So now it's your turn. I would like you to brainstorm two pairs of words that are synonyms. I would like you to have 4 words in total with 2 different examples of different synonym pairs. Once again, I would like you to have 4 words in total with 2 different examples of different synonym pairs. This chart states some common synonyms that we interchange in our everyday life. How does replacing a word in a sentence with its synonym change the meaning? Remember, a synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. When we replace a word with its synonym, we can often strengthen the meaning of our sentence. There are many situations where we would like to make our argument much stronger. One example is in an argumentative essay. So here is an example of how you can strengthen a sentence when you replace words with their synonyms. Here's the example. College tuition prices going up make students more upset. Now my sentence replaced with synonyms throughout the sentence states, college tuition fees increasing forces students to be stressed. Which sentence feels as if it has a stronger impact? Think about it. That's right, the second sentence. Now Now I'd like you to take some time to think ahead. This is an example of a word gradient. With this example, I would like you to brainstorm what you think a word gradient is. What are some ways that meaning of words are demonstrated in this example? In this word gradient, do you see any synonyms? What about any words that don't have the same meaning? What if they have opposite meanings? What do you think a word is called then?